Get ready to explore 20 incredible tools that are changing the way we work, create, and think. These innovations are powerful, surprising, and designed to leave you amazed. MG1000 Mini Grinder. MG1000 Mini Grinder delivers professional power with a brushless motor and DeWalt 18-volt compatibility. The extended arm improves access and visibility in tight spaces, while strong torque and advanced dust extraction ensure clean, precise, and safe performance across restoration and finishing tasks. NeoBlade Uncut. NeoBlade Uncut is an ultra-lightweight, ultrasonic cutter that delivers smooth, precise cuts across a wide range of materials. With intelligent power control, high-frequency vibration, and built-in cooling, it offers cordless freedom and professional accuracy in one compact tool. NextGen 360 Degrees. NextGen 360 Degrees is a compact laser level featuring a self-adjusting vacuum suction cup and a 360 degrees rotating spirit level for quick, precise alignment. With stable auto-locking and accurate vertical and horizontal calibration, it makes leveling walls, angles, stairs, and ramps easy and reliable. Multifunctional Trestle. The multifunctional support and roller stand makes handling long boards easy, with adjustable height and a rotating support for smooth, controlled movement. It folds away neatly when not in use. MasterCUT 76. MasterCUT 76 packs serious cutting power into a compact blade, delivering clean and precise cuts on ultra-hard materials with minimal chipping. Designed for low-power angle grinders, it offers excellent control and performance, even in tight and hard-to-reach areas. NeoSander. NeoSander is built for precision sanding, with ultra-fast linear motion that smooths surfaces without digging in. Its adaptive micro-stroke, interchangeable heads, and low-vibration design give you total control in tight corners and detailed work, all in a compact cordless tool made to perform where precision really matters. Transformer-Side Trolley. Transformer-Side Trolley is a lightweight yet heavy-duty solution for safely moving transformers up to 200 kilograms. Its rugged steel build, puncture-proof wheels, and secure protection features ensure safe, efficient handling on site. Elevah 8 Tires. Elevah 8 Tires is a compact electric tire picker built for safe and efficient tire handling in workshops and warehouses. With a 7.6 meter working height, 300 kilogram load capacity, adjustable platform, and zero turning radius, it delivers stability, maneuverability, and all-day performance for demanding daily use. Scissor Lifting Clamp. Scissor Lifting Clamp allows one operator to transport and install up to 5 turf stones at once. Designed for standard 60 by 40 centimeter turf stones, it features an automatic open and close mechanism for fast, efficient, and effortless laying. CoolPad. CoolPad Polishing Pads simplify dry grinding of porcelain stoneware on low-power tools, delivering fast results and a smooth finish. Their advanced diamond design allows safe edge work and replaces multiple grit stages with a number 4 pad for instant high-gloss polishing. iPRO Golf Hole Cutter. iPRO Golf Hole Cutter is lighter and more ergonomic, delivering smooth, precise hole cutting with less vibration and reduced strain. Built in the UK, it offers professional performance and reliability for all green types. Open-End Wrench. Open-End Wrench is designed for quick and easy tightening in tight, hard-to-reach spaces. With multiple gear sizes and an ergonomic, slim head design, it offers a secure grip, reduced fatigue, and reliable performance across a wide range of assembly tasks. MasterFine 360. MasterFine 360 is the flagship Koning airbrush, built for ultra-precise, smooth painting across art, models, and DIY projects. With a fine 0.2 micrometer nozzle, multiple spray modes, and a lightweight built-in compressor, it delivers natural color transitions and consistent results anywhere, indoors or outdoors. TBK 211. Portable Soldering Iron. TBK 211. Portable soldering iron is a lightweight, fast-heating tool with precise temperature control and Type-C charging. Compact and easy to carry, it delivers reliable performance for DIY electronics, precision work, and on-the-go repairs. Spinner Drive Pro X. Spinner Drive Pro X is built to conquer stubborn, rusted, and over-tightened screws with confidence. Featuring newly designed anti-slip bits made from durable S2 tool steel, it delivers superior grip, reduced cam out, and steady control, giving you more torque, safer handling, and faster results every time. Pipe Deburring Tool. Pipe Deburring Tool is a battery-powered tool designed specifically for deburring the inner and outer edges of pipes and circular tubing. It offers precise control and cordless convenience for clean results on plastic and metal pipes from 3/8 inch to 2 inch. Cordless Vacuum. Cordless Vacuum is a compact battery-powered dust extractor designed for wet and dry job site cleaning. With strong suction, automatic filter cleaning, and easy mobility, it supports safer, cleaner, and more efficient work with power tools. Commercial Grout Station. Commercial Grout Station is a mobile, all-in-one cleanup solution featuring an 8.5-gallon wheeled bucket, removable grid, and sponge floats for efficient grouting. Non-skid rubber wheels and included tools make grout cleanup faster, cleaner, and easier on the job site. Revolve Paintbrush. Revolve Paintbrush features free-form 360 grip-free technology that reduces hand and wrist fatigue for comfortable all-day painting. With a rotating, interchangeable brush system and premium materials, it delivers superior control, smooth results, and effortless performance on any surface. Slabathor. Slabathor is a robotic router sled that effortlessly flattens wood of any size, from small cutting boards to massive slabs. Quick to set up and easy to use with your own router and custom rails, it saves time, reduces strain, and delivers smooth, accurate results on even the hardest woods. That's it for this video. If any of these tools caught your attention, there's a whole world of innovation still waiting to be discovered. See you in the next one.